There's millions of companies out there that are selling drag racing parts. All we're doing is drag racing sideways, forward bite and side bite.
True.
At the end of the day, that's what drifting is.
On Mustangs, solid axle or IRS?
For drifting?
Yeah.
So the straight axle, from a competitive and like ease of making work, is easier.
That's what I've heard.
Performance wise, like when you maximize it, like we have with our cars, like I wouldn't take our cars over a straight axle now. But like for the grassroots guy that's thinking about how to be the most competitive without having, a proper team or and I don't even know what other parts are available. So like if the S650 or that 550, that chassis in general has parts, you can make that car amazing, obviously. We don't sell our parts, so I'm saying I just don't know what else is out there. But from an S197, I mean, there's millions of companies out there, not millions, but there's many that are selling drag racing parts. All we're doing is drag racing sideways, right? Forward bite and side bite.
True.
At the end of the day, that's what drifting is. And so you just need the tools to adjust the car. And so a straight axle is very simple, right? You got pinion angle, you got lower arm angles, and then you got your shocks controlling it. You're not messing with camber, you're not messing with toe, you're not messing with nothing unless you just do something to make that happen. So it's stupid simple straight axle. So you ask for ease, that would be the easiest.
Cool. Perfect answer.